Hello all, welcome back again to the platform of One Mark Solution YouTube channel. And again, I'm here with some assertion reason kind of question, but from chapter 5, 12th standard biology, that is principles of inheritance and variation. Okay, let's directly go to the questions. Here comes the first question and its assertion statement. In 4 o'clock plant or snapdragon plant, a cross between homozygous white flower individual and a homozygous red flower individual produces. So it is white flower and red flower. Usually immediately we'll see that capital R, capital R, capital R, smaller, smaller. And when we say 4 o'clock plant or snapdragon, what kind of inheritance it is? Incomplete dominance. Okay, so this is produces pink flowers, that is due to the incomplete dominance. So the statement is true. Reason given here is in these plants the flower color is determined by 3 alleles. Is it by 3 alleles the flower color? No, correct. So this is false. If the assertion is true and the reason is false, which can be the answer? It is C. That is C is the answer. Okay. Let's see the next question soon. Assertion. It is not possible for human parents heterozygous for skin color to have, that means heterozygous skin color. When we say skin color, you should know that what kind of inheritance it is. To have children darker or lighter than themselves. And let us see the second statement. Human skin color is controlled by a single pair of allele. Again, what is this? Both the statements are false. So, it is what kind of this? Polygenic inheritance, correct? So, polygenic it is. Both statements are false. So, answer is D. Okay. Shall we go to the next question? Third question assertion is like this. The person heterozygous for sickle cell trait produces both normal and abnormal hemoglobin. Heterozygous trait. Okay, so it is not affected. And the reason says the normal allele and sickle cell are co-dominant. Okay, the first statement is true. The first statement is true. And look at the second statement, the normal allele and the sickle cell are co-dominant. Is it co-dominant? Yes, that is also true. So how now analyze whether the second statement, that is the reason, is an explanation for that. Yes. The reason it says it's a co-dominant because it produces both the kind of heterozygous produces both normal and abnormal hemoglobin. Why? Because it is co-dominant. So both the statements are true and reason explains the assertion statement. So it is A. Let's go to the next question. That is question number 4. The defect called erythroblastosis fetalis results if Rh negative mother carries a Rh positive fetus, isn't it? That Rh factor is new to the mother's body and this can cause. So it is true. Let's see the reason here. Replacement of the infant's blood immediately after birth can cure the trait. That means after this, the fetalis condition, to prevent this, immediately after the delivery, that means immediately after the birth, that means infant's blood immediately after the birth can be replaced to avoid this condition. Both the statements are true. But now to be checked, is this second statement an explanation for the first one? No, that is not an explanation. So which is the answer? Answer is B. Okay. Now let's move to the fifth or the final question for the chapter. Hemophilia shows crisscross inheritance. What is crisscross? Father to daughter, mother to son, isn't it? So the statement is true. Hemophilia shows that. And what is the recent statement saying? The gene that causes hemophilia is recessive and lies in the X chromosome. What kind of condition is hemophilia? It is a sex-linked recessive disorder. So this statement is also true. Sex-linked recessive disorder. And now when we check, we can see that the reason explains how it is. That is, it's a sex-linked recessive disorder. That is why it's showing crisscross inheritance. So both the statements are true and the reason gives a proper explanation for assertion. So that thus we have come to an end of the questions, assertion reason kind of question from chapter 5. Thank you all. Once again, we'll be back with more questions of 1 mark kind. I'll come back once again.